Namaste viewers, welcome back to Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Hope you are all doing good. Today I am going to prepare a dosa using green leaves. This is green leaves I am using. In Tamil it is called Modakattan Keere. In Kannada it is called Agni Balli. In English it is called balloon vine. Have a close look at it. This looks like this. Those who know, they will identify easily. Those who don't know, please have a close look at it. It is very good for health, especially for joint pains. It is used in cold also, treating cold also. This leaves is used in our Indian traditional medicines for different health issues. I have taken this, a handful of this balloon vine or Modakattan Keere or Agni Balli. Along with this, one green chili, 4 pods of garlic, 1 piece of ginger, 4 to 5 small onion, required amount of pepper, required amount of cumin seeds, and dosa batter or idli batter. Whichever batter you are having, you can use it. Now for this, I am preparing a side dish using garlic. Ingredients for this side dish are 1 cup of garlic. I have taken medium size 3 garlics, red chilies, required amount of red chilies, 3 to 4 pieces of ginger, oil, required amount of oil, 1 teaspoon of jaggery, this amount of tamarind, salt according to taste, required amount of water if we need. Now switch on the stove, take a pan, let it get heated. Now add oil to it, add a teaspoon of oil. Now add half spoon of cumin seed and a quarter spoon of pepper. All these ingredients will be go into the dosa batter. Take a green chili, small onions, garlic pods, ginger peas. We will fry this. Just saute it. Then finally we will add the Modakattan Keere, Agni Balli or balloon vine. Now this is enough. Switch off the stove and add the leaves, that is balloon vine or Modakattan Keere or Agni Balli. Just saute it in the heat of the pan. That is enough for this. It should not be overcooked. Anyhow, we are going to mix this in the dosa batter and again we are going to cook it. So, just saute it out. Now this is done. We will take it out from the pan and let it cool. Meanwhile, we will prepare the chutney. We will fry the ingredients of the chutney. Now switch on the stove and keep the kadai for or pan for getting heat. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Then add the required amount of red chilies to it. Take the chilies according to your taste. And also check the spiciness of the chilies and take. The chilies which I am using is less spicy, so I am using this amount of chilies. Fry the chilies until it becomes crisp. At this stage we will add 1 spoon of jeera, ginger and tamarind also. We will add all these ingredients and fry it until the chilies will get crispy. Now it is done. Switch off the stove and take it out from the flame. Now again switch on the stove, take the pan, add around 3 tablespoons of oil. Now add the garlic pods to it and fry it. Fry the garlic until it changes its color. Now it is done. Switch off the stove. By the time the chutney ingredients get cool, we will grind this fried leaves and the dosa ingredients and grind it to a fine paste. Add a half a teaspoon of salt to it. If you have added the salt in the batter, you can increase the salt in this, or else this much is enough. Sorry, if you have added the salt in the batter, you decrease the amount of the salt. Or if you have not added the salt in the batter, you can increase the salt in this mixture. Now I have grinded the green leaves mixture and kept. Now we will grind the chutney. Take the mixer jar, add the chutney ingredients to it. Salt according to taste, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of jaggery, and then fried garlic. For this chutney, don't use water, you use the oil which you have fried the garlic. You can store this chutney for a month. Now I have grinded the chutney and it is ready to serve with dosa. Now we will mix this grinded paste into the dosa batter. You don't have any measurement for this. You add the mixture. It should retain its green color. That is the proper measurement. That's it. I have added the green leaves paste into it. Dosa batter is ready. Mix it properly. We will prepare the dosas. Now the dosa tawa is heated. We will prepare the dosas. Let it cook. Now flip the dosa to the other side. Cook the other side also. Then the herbal dosa, you can call it, is ready to serve with the garlic chutney. Now the herbal dosa, that is Mudakatankire, Agniballi or balloon vine dosa, is ready to serve. Please try this recipe. It is very good for health. Put a comment in my comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Thank you.